Welcome to the Crypto Factor. Welcome to your favorite cryptopreneurship show on the YouTube. My name is Paul, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about altcoins, why they are dropping, and what this actually means for crypto, because a lot of people are panicking. A lot of news is coming out. We're hearing Euro banks now, Credit Suisse going under or about to go under. Everything is going crazy and people are scared. People are worried. People are afraid. And don't worry, if that's you, it's perfectly natural. It's perfectly normal. It is the norm. Of course you're going to get scared. Of course you're going to get worried. Of course you don't know what's going on and you want to know. And that's what we're going to do today. Plus we're going to answer your questions in the chat. So if you have any questions, go ahead, put them down in the chat and I will be answering them all, or at least as much as I can. Meanwhile, I'm gonna open up my can of soda with lemon flavor, which was a mistake. I just wanted normal soda water, but anyway, that's okay. We have soda water with lemon. What are you guys drinking? Comment down below. And let's see what's going on in the markets as soon as I take a few sips of this amazing soda water. And no, they're not sponsors. No, let me just get into focus a little bit more here. I think I'm out of focus. There you go. I think that's a little bit better, right? So, yes, so what's going on? So quick summary, and this is not going to be like those other summaries that last for an hour from other channels. I'm just going to give you a quick summary. Banks, 3 banks fell Friday or until Friday. We had FUD over the weekend. Then they said they're going to help the banks bail out, or at least the depositors. Then, for some strange reason, banks were going down, Bitcoin was going up because it was proving itself in this situation. Don't forget, Bitcoin was created for the situation for banks going down in 2008 as a solution. And yes, then Monday came, Bitcoin kept pumping. Now, altcoins didn't pump as much. Now, we did have some standout altcoins pumping. Which ones they are and why, that's very easy. AI, we've been talking about it for a while. We talked about the narrative, then GPT-4 came out, and of course that news pumped that sector even more. And I told you we're gonna have more and more AI news, and AI cryptocurrencies are gonna pump because of this. It's gonna be based on hype. Blockchain is not ready for AI yet, but hey, that's what we said in the video months ago. That's what's happening now, and we did talk about Singularity, Fetch, and other cryptocurrencies. Check out the videos. So, what's going on now? Why is Bitcoin going back down? Let's have a look real quick, then I'll answer your questions in the chat. And we see Bitcoin went all the way to 26,500, breaking the 25K support, but then going down under it. Now, this candle hasn't closed yet. We don't know what's going to happen, but it's safe to say it's going to close around this region. Well, this region from here till here, all this 24 to 25, 25, it's range. It's a level of support now, and I would say we might even go down to 23,000, 23,500 around this level here, maybe a little bit lower. We're still bullish even if we do, even if we go to 22K, even if we go to great, now my Stream Deck is not working anymore. Let me see if I can do this manually. Can I? There you go. Even if we go down further, we're still bullish. We rallied a lot. So a lot of people think, hey, this is a drop. What's going on? Was that the run? Was that all? No. This, so far, we don't know if this is true yet, is a healthy pullback. When something rallies up, it comes back down, and then it can rally up again. Now, it remains to be seen, but basically that's what it means when I tell you nothing moves up in a straight line. Nothing. And nothing moves down in a straight line either, right? So basically, so far it's a healthy pullback. Let's see what happens. Now, another thing I've been telling you that a lot of people gave me crap over was that Bitcoin will eventually and will at times decouple from the stock market, and we will see Bitcoin going up as stock markets going down, and even interest rates rising, it can still go up. People were calling me an idiot, calling me a clown, doing clown emojis. Well, that's what happened. Right? That's what happened. Don't forget, I was bearish till we hit those lows, 15.5K, 15.6K, which we called. Right? So now we're bullish. We've been bullish since then, and I remain bullish here. Now, am I saying that we're going to 100% go up from here? No, I'm not saying that at all. What I'm saying is we're evaluating. We're going to see which range, what's the new range we're going to be in. We might be trading sideways for a while, see if we break out to the upside or downside or keep trading that range, and then reevaluate, right? And that's what we have to see. You see, the other thing is them getting rid of the on-ramps and off-ramps for cryptocurrency. That can be good, but it can also be bad. Sorry, that could be bad, but it could also be good. See, now, not many people want to trade back into stablecoins. It's unsafe. They don't want to trade back into dollars. That's unsafe for the banks and so on. So what they're going to do, they're going to be getting into Bitcoin. And that's probably why a lot of liquidity left altcoins. Now, let's talk about this. Last time this happened, last time Bitcoin ran, altcoins ran, but not like they were supposed to, or what people were saying. They were talking about an alt season. I was saying not yet. Alt season back then was, I think it was around January. Not yet. Okay? Now what's going on? Bitcoin's rallying again more than altcoins, and again they're not running again. I'm talking about the big altcoins, by the way, the top ones, right? We have to see if it's going to be their time. Are we going to break 25K and close above it? And if yes, are we going to trade sideways and let the altcoins do their catching up, which usually is a lot more percentage points than Bitcoin? Let's see what happens, because Bitcoin dominance is going up right now. It might very well be time for a mini alt season if things go as planned, or should I say as unplanned. So if that happens, we could see altcoins rally. Is it time to buy it? No. No, and I've been telling you this, other than some specific AI cryptocurrencies and some other cryptocurrencies we called, no, it's not the right time now. You can dollar cost average in some of them. I'd still be waiting. I did get into some plays. You can see my other videos for that, and you can see why as well, and when I called them and what happened after. I think I got most right. Now, let's have a look at the chat. Let me see if I'm missing anything in the chat. Help me. Tell me what your questions are. Tell me what you want to know. Tell me if it's anything I can answer for you. Hit the like button, by the way. I would really appreciate it if you do hit the like button, and tell me, ask me your questions. I see Omar Sabri. Paul, nice to see you again, bro. Thank you very much, man. I was going to come out earlier, but I was at the hospital, was getting a PET scan. So I'm actually literally radioactive right now. I'm staying away from my puppy and everything, my dog. Even though there's been some hours that have passed, I'm very paranoid with this stuff. So literally, if I close the lights, I'll probably be glowing. But we'll see what happens, and I'll go to the doctors to tell me what's going on and how everything is going. Once on Monday, I think, it's on the 20th, yeah? So that's why I was late. That's why I wasn't on earlier on. I was seeing your comments. Paul, come on. Tell us what's going on. I just could not. I was literally in a PET scan thing. Thiago Ciprian says, let's go, bro. Good evening. Yo, the man is back. Yes, the man is back. Did you check out that awesome AI image I was given as a gift? Let me show you. I have to do all this manually, by the way. My stream deck's not working for some strange reason. Give me a second real quick here. If you go, let's go my community tab on left us right here. This is my community tab on Crypto Factor. Look at this. They sent me this, right? An amazing gift from My Mood AI. Really check these guys out. They're on YouTube. They're all over the place. They're on Twitter. This was beautiful. They sent me some more as well. I'll post up a couple of more. I might even use some for thumbnails. But yeah, beautiful stuff. I really like it. While you're at it, if you go to my Twitter account here, and I should have shown you my Twitter account so I can shill my Twitter account, because I only have like 3,464 subscribers on Twitter, and I do make some really nice posts. I make some cryptocurrency posts, and I also do some life posts, like posts from success and so on, like entrepreneurship. Check it out. Look at this, 7 success books for entrepreneurs. Old video on my other channel. Anyway, enough about that. Let's go back to the to your questions here. Thank you, Mashir. I really appreciate the super chat, my man. It really feels good. Thank you. I appreciate you, man. Hope you're well, Paul. The Kid Calm, thank you very much. I am. Hey, Mysterio. Oh my God. Hassan, I just watched Spider-Man. I literally just watched Spider-Man Far Away from Home with Mysterio. I've seen it a couple of times. I'm a Spidey fan, just for you. I used to be a fanatic Marvel fan before they screwed it up. I just watched that. It's funny you should call me Mysterio. Me, my goodness, I am 6 minutes late watching from the start. Awesome, man. Harry ML, hey Harry, how you doing, man? It's good to see you, Paul. I hope you're well. Yes, I am, sir. Tell me about ICP. I don't really like ICP. I think it's too soon for it. Maybe we'll do something in the bull market, but I think other cryptocurrencies are gonna outperform it. I've been telling you that since the last bull market. Let's see what happens in this one. I told you last bull market, next bull market it might do well, but we're not seeing altcoins yet, so I can't see the actual price movement yet. Push the like button before you guys watch. I would really appreciate the like buttons, guys. And if you haven't subscribed already and you like cryptocurrency videos, live streams, reviews, videos, short videos, you name it, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video or surprise live stream. This is a surprise live stream right now. I just did it. And we do this a lot, especially when something's going on. Hey Paul, I'm waiting for your video, but you came live. Happy. Yeah, see, there you go. The surprise live stream. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them. Hello, sir. Is it a good time to invest in AI cryptocurrency? I've been telling you it's a good time to invest in AI cryptocurrency for a while, for months. Yes, and now with a pullback, it might be a chance to get into some good cryptocurrency projects, or maybe do a portfolio of such, but dollar cost average in, don't like go all in straight away. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, but yeah, I would say it's a good idea. It's gonna, every time there's AI news and something happens in AI, it's gonna pump the markets, right? Because it's gonna be based on hype. The same thing happens in other sectors. Even though blockchain's not ready for AI, to implement it within AI, there are some projects out there. I actually made a video about that, but yeah, but make sure you check it out, by the way. Look, make sure you go to my see, I don't have the button now and I get confused. If you go to my videos here on my channel, there should be one right here. There you go. Get rich fast with these 3 AI cryptocurrency opportunities. Now, do excuse the title here, but yes, watch this video, and then if you go back, you'll see more. You'll see a lot more videos here that are really worth watching. There you go. Everyone on Twitter is predicting 10K Bitcoin. Nah, Bitcoin, I'm seeing it bouncing and going up to the 28,000 level, 29 before anything else. And if you remember last year, I was telling you, when everybody was saying it's going to go down 50% from 15,000, I'm like, yeah, it can go down 50%, but it might do it from 30 to 40,000. I kept on hinting and winking within those videos. That's what we're seeing right now, or at least we got close to it. So yeah, maybe, but we don't know yet. Let's see. Why altcoins dropping like hell? They're dropping because liquidity is being sucked out from Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's also going down, and people are paranoid and they're trying to take profits into Bitcoin or into USD, maybe not even stable coins anymore. Some people use stable coins. I don't for the time being. Please keep us informed if you want. We don't care about... Oh, we do care about you. I thought the Kid Calm, I thought you were about to say, we don't care about you. I'm like, okay, no, fair enough. Yeah, I will. I'll let you guys know. I've been telling you. That's why I was like, don't forget I was gone for more than a month when I was in hospital, which was insane. Masher, the truth is I've been fighting with cancer since 2016. And everything you've seen me done and accomplish, not just in cryptocurrency, but generally with writing books and so on, businesses, it's been while I was fighting cancer, losing my mother, losing my father, and even losing my sister. So yeah, I'm a fighter, man, and I keep on going until I can't, dude. But this was the hardest, like the hardest. Yeah, I got a phone call here. Let me switch that off. Anyway, let's not talk about me right now. Masher, I like the way you think. Oh, what did he say? Laugh out loud. If Bitcoin goes below 14.5, I'll sell my house and buy out pretty much and stay homeless till we cross 3. Yeah, it's a good risk reward ratio at that point, right? How's your health, buddy? We'll see, man. I just got my PET scan. So far, so good. Getting stronger every day. I do have pain throughout my whole body. This is something normal after what I did, therapy. We'll see how it goes. Are you bullish on Moonbeam? I think it's too soon to know if I'm bullish on Moonbeam or not. And Near Protocol, same thing, man, same thing. What optimal buy-in prices do you recommend for them? I want to, Harry, I'm watching Bitcoin. I'm watching what Bitcoin does, and then depending on Bitcoin, I'm going off of that, not looking at specific prices on altcoins. And I don't think people should look at specific prices on altcoins. They do technical analysis on altcoins, but there's no price history, and we're not 100% sure that we're in a new narrative right now, and it's time to do that. Yes, you can look at it, Bitcoin with Ethereum, to see when Ethereum and altcoins may pump compared to Bitcoin, but I don't think it's time to look at individual cryptocurrencies just yet, in my humble opinion. Bitcoin has reached 26.5K, but altcoin is still in the same way. I just answered that shot earlier on. Bitcoin does that, and when it does, it sucks liquidity out of altcoins, and then when it does another pump, if it does another pump from here and break over 25K again, come down, meet support, start trading sideways, I do think that may be the altcoin season, where we'll get at least a short-term out season where altcoins are going to pump. Everybody was saying it's going to happen last time in January. I was saying no. If you remember this, I was saying Bitcoin and Ethereum only. Bitcoin and Ethereum only for a very long time, plus AI, which we talked about, and so on. At what level can we expect the pullback? I answered that again, but let's talk about that again. I'm expecting 23,000, 23,500, but we could even go up from here, right? We might go 21.5. We have to see the bigger range and the smaller range. We'll see how it goes, man. We hit the top, right? We hit a top. Okay, I said 25K. We went to 26.5. We went back down. I was a little bit off on that, but we hit the top. Now we have to wait to see where we're going to go to the bottom and see where it's going to range. I can't answer much, while we're in there. So no trade zone. So people telling you what to trade and what to do right now, take it with a grain of salt. At least, in my analysis and how I work. Which crypto will blast in 2023? Saifullah Khan, you should watch, or is it Saifullah? You should watch my videos on that. I made a whole bunch of videos on my channel. I'm rooting for Matic. I'm rooting for Bitcoin, for the banking narrative. I always said that. I've been saying that for a year, by the way. I'm rooting for Ethereum. And then I'm looking at some AI cryptocurrencies like Singularity, Fetch. There's another one called Crypto GPT, which is a long shot. It's risky, but it could do very, very well. So it's worth the risk, in my opinion. Just go small and take profits fast. And there's more. I made videos about them. Make sure you check them out. How long do you think Doge will go? How low do you think Doge will go? And what price prediction? I don't have a price prediction or low for Doge, man, or any altcoins in that category right now. We have to wait and see what the narrative is before we do TA on them. You look well, Paul. Thank you very much, Harry. Hey, Paul, do you have a favorite staking platform? Yes, I have a couple. Now, I don't like staking where they take control or custody over my cryptocurrencies. I don't do that, period. Well, I do that on KuCoin sometimes, but I really don't do it with a higher amount of money. I use DEXs and I stake decentralized, if you will, or sufficiently decentralized DEXs. So you would see me on PancakeSwap, and I do stake Pancake. I've been staking Pancake for a while, man. I'm really excited about it. And I was talking about that right from the beginning for PancakeSwap, by the way. Then I'm staking Hex. I do have a few stake positions on Hex. I also have an unstaked position on Hex that I will sell once it goes up a little bit more, if it does, which I think it will. And then I'm staking through my wallet, Exodus.io, one of my wallets, which has staking features inside it, so I don't have to leave the wallet, and a few more. Looking good, brother. Thank you, G. Shot, 18K is still in the charts. 18K is always still in the charts, but they'll tell you what, probabilities are lower. Probabilities are lower. At what percentage do you usually take back your investment? 5x, 10? It all depends, Harry, on what cryptocurrency it is, on if it's which portfolio is in, because I have a short, mid, and long-term portfolio, and it really depends on if I need money or not. So if I make money, I actually live off crypto in most parts, especially in bear markets, believe it or not. So I would take profits on my living expenses. And I do that analogically. So it really depends. If something is costing you more in stress levels or interest or something like that, maybe it's a good time to take profits and get rid of that, and then you have the peace of mind to trade or to invest with a clean mind, if that makes sense. Or if you need to, I don't know, pay off a big loan, maybe it's time to take profits, or even your initial investment for that matter, and get rid of that loan. It all depends what your needs are. I take profits very often. And what I do is I have my cycle portfolios as well, where I have a portfolio where I add to as much as I can. Then throughout the bear market, I'll take it out accordingly, and I know I'm going to take a loss, but that is money that I will be using, if that makes sense, after I took out my profits before that. Sounds confusing, I know it is, because I have different systems and stuff. S&P 500 is bleeding, yes it is. Black, really looking good. Good. Okay, thanks. You like the black? You like the black cool dress? Yeah, I agree. I like black too. Black is back, baby. Which centralized exchanges do you think are safe to use? Harry, they're all not safe, and they're all safe. It really depends on how. I just use centralized exchanges to trade. I don't use it to hold currency, and you gotta if you want to risk it, right? As a matter of fact, sometimes I don't even go on centralized exchanges. I just swap through Exodus.io, and I pay the fees, which are very high, but sometimes it's worth it for the speed and the safety. I would use Binance, and I would use KuCoin or Bybit, and you can see those if you go to my. If you know what? If you are not signed up to any of these exchanges, let me show you real quick. Sign up. You don't have to use them. Go to my website by clicking here, for example, the cryptofactor.net. Or cryptofactor.net, pretty much the same thing. And if you go to affiliates here at the tabs at the top, you'll see the crypto exchanges KuCoin, Binance, and Bybit. Now, if you are not subscribed or not a member on any of these exchanges, even if you're not and you are on one of the other ones, make sure you sign up to all of them. Why? One, what happens if one goes down? You want to get your money out fast. You want to put it on another exchange. Two, you might want to trade. You might want to short. You might want to go long. How are you going to do that if you're not part of an exchange? And what happens if one goes down? What happens if you have to think ahead in crypto, not do it last second. So if I was you, if I was all of you, I would definitely, if you want, you can use my affiliate links right here. That helps me out. Bybit, Binance, and KuCoin, I would definitely sign up. If you want to be safe, use a Ledger Nano S or an EliPal. These are hard wallets here. And yeah, if these are for gifts, ballot cards. I see it more as a novelty gift. And then you have my books here, which I've written, or my shop where you can buy t-shirts, apparel, and stuff like that. Just so you know, this is cryptofactor.net. This is my website here. These are some of the people I've worked with, I've done interviews with, or I've worked for. And yeah, you can check that out and see what I do. This is when I used to do public speaking. And you can see what I do and so on. People calling me while I'm doing a live stream. My friend from Sweden is in Greece. You are a recent buy? No, I took out my allocation from my USDC. I basically converted that into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ajax before it went up. Like I told you in the live stream. Do you think Solana is finished now left? No, it's not. It would have been dead already. It would have gone down. Too many backing, too much people believing in it, and they're trying to do something big, even though it's centralized, in my opinion. Do you prefer to invest? I prefer to invest, but I also trade, Harry. But I generally invest more than I trade, believe it or not. How people can store money in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is not a stable coin. Yeah, it's not a stable coin, but if you look over the last 14 years, it's got an uptrend comparing to the dollar, which has inflation is going down, right? So yes, I understand you don't have to do this, but it's until you understand that dollar isn't all that, or a stable coin isn't all that, and your mission is to accumulate more Bitcoin. It will make you a better trader in the sense that you won't spend as much, and also you'll be taking profits in Bitcoin, and every time the cycle goes up, you'll make profits again. Does that make sense? So it's a way to dollar cost average into Bitcoin is to take profits into Bitcoin, if that makes sense. At the peak of the bull run, take profits in your fiat currency of choice or go into a stable coin if it's safe by then. We'll see when the time comes. Thiago says, walk is through how you like of crypto. I don't understand that question, man. I'm sorry. I don't understand that question. If you can rephrase that, I would appreciate it. Like this video, by the way, for support, if you don't mind, if you're getting value, if you like this video, if you like my glasses, if you like the black look, if not, doesn't matter, it's okay. I forgive you. Is bear market close to an end? I was shouting that the bear market was over and we're going to be looking at it in hindsight in the future that it was the end of the bear market. I'm still sticking to that, Mohammed. Do you think other banks will get bankrupt? Yes. Or just Silicon Valley Bank? Well, first of all, it wasn't just Silicon Valley Bank. It was also Silvergate and it was also Signature Bank, right? Then you have Europe, Credit Suisse. There's a rumor that's going to go bankrupt, and there's definitely other banks sweating pigs right now, right? Walk us through how you like of crypto. I don't understand what you're saying. Please rephrase that another way. I really like the way you read all the comments. Yeah, Shah, I try to, man, because I know it's important. Because you know, a lot of people have a lot of questions. They panic. They get scared. They want their questions answered. And you know, even if it's not if I can't answer the specific question, I'm very honest with what I can answer, what I don't know, and what I do know. But I know it helps. I know it helps, and I like to do it. Hey, boss, is Bitcoin going up or down? Latif, what's up, man? Latif. We don't know, but generally we're in a range right now. I'm suspecting it to go up, but generally we don't know 100%. You never know 100%. Technical analysis is not about 100%. It's about probabilities. Let's see what happens. Right now in a range. Last time I told you we're going to go up because we broke out of a range. There's a big difference. And plus everyone was very bearish. I'm a contrarian. I looked at other things. That was one of those times I was pretty sure we're going to go up. But right now we're going to wait and see, man. I think we're going to go up though. I'm 70% sure we're going to go up. Bitcoin rejected from 25K and is getting rejected from 35K. Yeah, pretty much. Why did USDT get depegged? Probably out of fear or people getting out of USDT for some strange reason. Did USDT get unpegged right now? USDT. Let me have a look here. USD Coinbase Pro. Let me have a look. This might be new. It's not depegged, is it? No, it's not depegged at all. What are you talking about, man? USDT, it actually went up over its peg, not under the peg. And the reason this happened is because everyone was getting out of USDC and getting in USDT when all that drama was going on. So no, we're not left pegged. We're not depegged, man. But if we did get depegged, Harry, that would be the reason. Do you follow Superman? No, I don't like Superman. Not that I don't like him. Like I don't know him, but his style, I don't like it, and I don't like the way he shills a lot of cryptocurrencies. I just don't like it. Plus, I don't like his accent, which is funny because I'm also from Britain. But no, I can't really watch. I can't watch him, man. I saw a few of his videos. I didn't like what he was saying, so I'm not saying he's bad. I'm not saying don't watch him. I think you should. I'm just saying I don't particularly. I'm not fond of his channel. I'd probably great guy if I meet him. What narratives do you think will be popular in the bull market? Well, that's easy. Right, AI, which I've been talking about, ISO 20022, which I was talking about, but not because of what you think. You should check out my video on that. Then you have Bitcoin, of course, because of that, and things built on Bitcoin like stacks and so on, because of the ordinals and NFTs on it. Obviously, NFTs will do very well. And then you have things like Matic. You have things like Solana, I think, is going to do well. Things like that. Hi, Paul. I have United Coins. Can I sell it? If yes, could you please advise? I wouldn't know how to answer that. Like, right, what's going on with the United Coin? You'd have to talk to Derek about that. He was supposed to release the project. I don't know what happened. I mean, I got sick. I wasn't working for any companies after that, man. So, you know, and I lost contact. I think I talked to him messaged him a few days ago. He messaged back, but nothing about United Coins. I have a shitload of United Coins, by the way. A lot. I would love to know how to sell them too. I think he was listed on an exchange. Last time I was at Bitmart, but I'm not sure if you can get on there yet or anything like that. Tech World says Takla. Don't know what that means. Why USDC still not $1? Because people have lost faith, and I talked about this, Shah. I talked about this, that even though they're going to secure it, everything's going to go well, it's going to take time for people to trust USDC and stablecoins in general. So I know a lot of people that don't want to deal in stablecoins anymore. They want to deal in Bitcoin. So even Binance, they're converting their stablecoins, their BUSD to BNB, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So we'll see. It will take time, man, if it gets back there. I thought USDT fell below $1. Nope. Not from what I saw. Latif says, I think it's the last bull run with massive profits. Next bull run will be coins, will be traded like stock. It's possible. I actually had that discussion with Craig Wright, believe it or not, BSV, Satoshi's Vision, years ago, live. And it's on my channel. You can check it out. It's a re-upload because I took it down from my other channel. And we talked about how, well, he was saying Bitcoins and all these rallies and stuff are going to stop. And I'm like, no, we got a couple, 2 or 3 more rallies left, cycles. And he agreed. I don't think it's the last one. I still think we're going to make a lot of profits in the other one. But yes, we are going to go less and less. But we're still going to have those moonshots, if that makes sense. Bitcoin dump coming. Maybe, Tech. Maybe. What do you think of Alexander Lorenzo? Do you follow him? Nope, I do not. Why Matic Boss? Can it 10x? I think in 3 to 5x, if anything. We'll see about the 10x. What's your views on ADA? I think ADA is great tech. I'm not sure if it's going to run as high as I would like it to run in this bull market, in this coming bull market. But generally speaking, I think it's going to do good things. It needs time, because in time, it's either going to do something massive or it's going to be a relic in the past. So we have to see. We have to give it time and see what happens with that. What about AI coin, man? AI coins in general, I think, are going to do very well. Same here. I have United Coins too. Yeah, well, there you go. So do I. Do you? I'll try and find out. I'll see if I can get Derek on the live stream or on the channel or something, man, soon. Do you follow the FOMO factory? Nope. No, I do not. Yeah, one second. Let me just answer my girlfriend. All right. Gareth Soloway predicting 9K Bitcoin. Yeah, well, you know my views with Derek. So I've had Gareth Soloway on my channel multiple times. Going to come again. We disagree. Let's just put it that way. How are your stock market portfolio is going on? My stock market portfolio is doing good. Yo, Peep XDC. You Peep XDC. Optimism, buy it, $2. You are the best. Yeah, thanks, man. I don't know if you're telling me or you're asking me, but they should do well. We'll see how they go. We'll see how they go. Hit that like button, man. Hit that like button, guys, and ask your questions in the chat. Let me ask you questions. Put your questions in the chat while I drink my soda water. Do you follow BitBoy Crypto? What are your thoughts about him? I like Harry. I do like. I like BitBoy Crypto. BitBoy Crypto is actually a friend, and one day I'm going to make a video about how he helped me out. at some point where I was in a lot of trouble. I'm not ready to talk about it yet, but I will. I give a lot of respect. And don't forget, I used to be on Around the Blockchain. I will be again every Friday. So we're going to be doing that again. But yeah, BitBoy Crypto is great. I follow but I'll tell you who I follow in general and why. I follow BitBoy Crypto because of his thought process and the news as well. This is because he's been around for a while. So I like to hear what he's thinking, okay? It makes me think, if that makes sense. I like watching... I don't watch him for his technical analysis. It's because I have my own style of technical analysis, and I do like certain technical analysis channels, but we'll talk about them in a while. So I'll tell you about who I like and who I don't like. So I like BitBoy Crypto. Another person I like is I like banter. I like crypto banter, but I like crypto banter at certain times. Let me explain. First of all, their technical analysis videos, I don't even watch them. I'm sure Sniper's a great kid. Looks like he knows what he's doing. I have a different style, different method, and so on. But he's cool. I don't watch his technical analysis videos. I do watch Ran, though, because I like his perspective, and he has a lot of knowledge for what's going on in macro, and he has his own opinions, which is great. So I like watching him. So both BitBoy Crypto and Crypto Banter, I'll watch. Let's say if I'm driving in the car and I'm going a long way, or if I'm relaxing, I'm lying down, I'll just pop that on and I'll listen. Okay, does that make sense? For the news, what's going on, what the views are. And this really helps me as well gather my thoughts and see what I agree, what I disagree with, and put it on the table. So those two channels. Now, when it comes to technical analysis, I actually like listening to a few people. One is CTO Larson. Okay, one is CTO Larson. I had him on my channel. I'm going to have him again on my channel next month. The other one, obviously, is Gareth Soloway. I like looking at his views. And I really love Alessio Rastani. I think he's an amazing trader. So those three are my go-to technical analysis. And also, for day trading, the chart guys, which are awesome. Okay? So those channels I like. I like Guy, but he's slow, like from Coin Bureau. He's a bit slow and it just tires me, so I can't really, I will listen to some videos now and then, but not my favorite. And if I do listen to him, I have to do 2x. I also like technical analysis from Tone Vase when it comes to Bitcoin. I like listening to him as well. So yeah, so basically, yeah, let me see. Bashar, thank you for the super chat, man. I really appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. BSC pad, should I buy? I don't think so just yet. Not just yet. Do you follow Alex Becker? I like Alex Becker because of the humor and it's fun to watch. I don't agree with him. But when Alex Becker first came to crypto, this channel supported him. This channel was saying, hey, watch Alex Becker. He has this information. He's an entrepreneur and so on. Even though I asked Alex Becker for an interview in my last channel, my other channel, which wasn't crypto-based, and he denied me. So it pisses me off, but I really like watching his videos, so he has a lot of talent. Got no question today. It's been a fun week. My rookie chart Okay, cool, man. Cool, Michelle. Harry says, they put an advert in the middle of your stream, so I missed of what you said. I BitBoy Crypto Banter. We'll rewatch it, man. I'm pretty sure that it continues after that. I'm sorry, bro. By coincides, I mean the resistance you're talking about. Okay, got you. How about Crypto Lifer? No, I don't watch him. I've seen him on. I think I've talked to him, and we've done a show together on Around the Blockchain. But I haven't. You also have to understand that I have limited time, and a lot of times I don't want to watch YouTube channels because, okay, if I want to watch a YouTube channel, I want the news, but I don't want them. How can I put this? Influencing my mind when I do videos. So when I do videos, I try not to watch them. Does that make sense? And when I have nothing to do for that day, I'll watch them. It's a bit weird when it comes to me and watching videos. I'm talking about crypto coin, man. It's the AI. It's an AI. Check it out. Crypto coin. Are you talking about crypto.ai? Are you talking about crypto AI? If you're talking about crypto AI, I made a video about it the other day. You should watch it, by the way, before the pump. I made a video. If you go on my YouTube channel here, and you go to videos, right here, get rich fast with these 3 AI crypto. 7 days ago, I made this video. Watch this video right here. Okay? I think that's the one you were talking about. In that video, I actually go through it, and I actually review it a little bit as well. Love that you're gonna be on BitBoy. He takes some heat, but love that you're gonna be on BitBoy. He takes some heat, but he's hard. Yeah, he's a cool guy, man. He's the kid calm. Listen, BitBoy Crypto. Ben is a great guy, man. Ben is a great guy. He has a big story. Don't know if you know his story when he was in drugs, and there was a whole bunch of things. Let me show you something real quick. Don't know if you know this. Oops. Sorry, wrong thing here. BitBoy. There you go. Look at this. Exclusive. BitBoy Crypto admits secrets never shared before. This is me and BitBoy Crypto about 2 years ago. Watch this video, then watch these top 5 altcoins right here. It talks about other things as well, but we talk about DeFi and everything. Then right here, BitBoy Crypto, huge cryptocurrency prediction right here. Watch this. See, we have shows with BitBoy Crypto, and I've been on around the blockchain many times. So yeah, just go to my site here. Up at the top here, click one of these arrows. You'll see a search button. Put BitBoy in there. You'll see my BitBoy Crypto videos. Worth watching. Worth watching. It's worth watching my other interviews as well. If you really want to learn how this industry works, by the way, and no joke, if you go to playlists and you go to, where is it? The Crypto Factor podcast, okay, exclusive. I have to fix this typo. If you click that, look at this. Interviews right here with CTO Larson, Gareth Soloway, BitBoy Crypto, Janice McAfee, John McAfee's wife, Craig Wright, Richard Hart. So many people here. You even have some state senators that are into Bitcoin that I've worked with, right? And if you go down, you'll see the different legends as well. Roger Ver, Tone Vase, Andreas Antonopoulos, Anthony Pompliano. All these videos were done before people did videos. I mean, I did these videos and I even wrote a book which combines their knowledge. You should check those out. You should check those videos out. They're free. And you can learn a lot. Pulse Chain launch. And please tell hex targets. I don't have hex targets. That just goes up. It's just random. Pulse Chain launch, wait and see. It's a wait and see. We don't know what's going to happen. I think it's going to do well. A lot of projects are not going to work on that. A lot of projects will. We have to see and wait and see. And I have sacrificed, in case you're wondering. And by the way, if you go to the search on my channel and look up Richard Hart, we talk about Pulse Chain, by the way. We have a whole video dedicated to Pulse Chain explaining it. Is it a good time to invest in Cardano? Planning to? I don't think it is. I like Cardano. I mean, we rode the wave together last time. I don't think it's the right time right now. It might be time in the near future. We'll talk about it. But right now, I wouldn't get into it right now. Which cryptocurrency did you put the most money into? Bitcoin. Of all your trades, Bitcoin and investments. S&P 5 is recovering, Bitcoin at 24.5, okay, or investments. I'm waiting for lower price before that makes sense. Brother Paul, sorry for trolling you. Hey man, corporate man, you got me bad. You got me so good, sorry. I didn't know you were trolling and I actually fell for it. No, big props, man, big props. Only guy I like to follow is Paul. Thank you very much, Bill. Really appreciate you, man. How did you learn about tokenomics? I want to learn reading and also working in companies, right? So I was a C-level executive at different companies. I trade, I read, and when you're in these companies and you work in C-level positions, all you talk about is crypto. Whether you're at work, whether you're outside work, whether you're at lunch, you're talking about crypto. So you learn a lot. Oh, another YouTuber I like, by the way, is Ivan on Tech. I like watching Ivan on Tech. How do you get these people to an interview, Paul? Cold calling. I'm very good at sales. I'm a sales and marketing expert. That's what I did for over 25 years with consumer psychology. I reached out to them. I can't explain a pitch. You could probably use ChatGPT now, but when you custom it is a bit better, if you know what I mean. If you know a few things about them and you know how to talk to them and you're polite and so on. My other channel, I interviewed people like Patrick Bet-David and Evan Carmichael, people that don't even give interviews. Very rarely give interviews. At that time, they weren't giving interviews. Ahmed, surprising live hunt. Thank you, man. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, what do you think will perform best? Look, historically, Ethereum gives more profits than Bitcoin, but Bitcoin holds it on better. I think now, for the last few years, you need to buy both, or at least 60-40, 60% Bitcoin, 40% Ethereum. That's what I've been preaching anyway. What do you think about EOS? I think EOS made a huge amount of money, but then decided not to give utility or use case so they don't get in trouble with the SEC. But they're chilling. We're chilling. I don't know if they're going to do well at some point or not. They have the budget, but do they need to now? Is now the time to buy Cosmos? I think Cosmos is going to do very well. And if you look at the price action in the bull market and all the drama, it did very, very well. Not enough likes. I'm going to stop answering questions unless I get more likes. 44 people watching, which is not that much. And I have 29 likes. That's ridiculous, man. Come on, like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Support the poll. Support the poll. You smash likes for Ivan on Tech. You hit the like button for Crypto Banter. You subscribe to the channel for Tone Vase. Give a like to the Crypto Factor. Just a like. Just give it to him. Don't even smash. Don't serenade. Don't break your keyboard. Just like the video. Simple. I would appreciate it if you do. I think ADA will go down to 8 cents or 0.08. And hit all-time high 15. I think 15 is too high. I think it'll go in the same grounds as XRP, about $4 to $7, maybe 10 tops. What's up, Ahmed? What's up, my man? My member of the channel. By the way, did you know you can be a member of the channel and support this channel? Don't know if you know, so let's show you how. If you go to my channel again, right here, if you go to the Crypto Factor channel or any video on the Crypto Factor channel, let's say you click on this live stream. Let's look. That's me right now live, right? If you go under the video here, by the way, subscribe button is where? I don't see the subscribe button right here. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. You can subscribe here as well if you don't see the button. But right here, see where it says join? If you click join, look at this. You can be a supporter for $2.99 a month. That would really help out the channel. You can be a BitBull sponsor for $4.99. You can be aspiring cryptopreneur for $40, depending on how much you want to support. And these are the perks you get. If you click each one, you'll see what kind of perks you get here. I'm not telling you to do this. I'm telling you you can do this. You still get all the information for free. There are some levels where you get some extra videos, some deep dive videos. I'm going to be adding more special features for members, by the way. But yeah, if this is something you want to do, that's how you do it. It's up to you. I'm not telling you you have to. I'm not begging you. I'm just saying if you want to support the channel, that's the way. Support the poll. Or hit the like button if you don't want to do that. That's fine. What's happening in the market? Too confusing. Should I get or wait for? Well, what is happening right now, man? We made a whole video telling you what's happening. I don't think anything changed. Yeah, we're in this range here. I think we're going to shoot up to the upside, but we might go down a little bit before and, just come down and then go back up again. About 23,524K. We might even have reached it already at some. There you go, 24K. Okay, so we did reach this. So we could be bouncing right now. We could go a little bit lower. I'm generally bullish, but we're still in this range. We got to see what's going to happen and where it's going to break from. So let's see how it goes. What's your next book about? Oh man, the next book will probably more than likely be the Crypto Factor Part 2, which I've been meaning to write for a while, or it's another book on a method that I've developed, but it's more for entrepreneurship and success mindset and so on, so I'm not going to talk about it right now. What do I think of HBAR? I like HBAR. I think it's going to do very well. I did get out and got into other cryptocurrencies a while ago, along with Algorand. I just felt like it would be a better deal and they have more gains than the other ones, in AI and some other ones. Walk us through how you live off crypto. Man, I have to do a whole video on that, man. And I've been planning to do a video, like getting a cameraman and actually going around and everything. I don't want to spoil it, so yeah. But basically, I live off profits. And other things as well. It's not just crypto. Mostly, it's 99% crypto, though. Yes, I have thought, Harry, I have thought about making an online course on Udemy or something. It's a lot of work. The next course I'm doing is the Closers online course. It's with Ben Gay III. It was with Napoleon Hill. It's a living legend, but it has to do with sales. It doesn't have anything to do with crypto. We're actually working on it right now. Any thoughts about Mina? No, not right now. I've heard of Mina. I've looked into Mina, but I can't honestly give you an opinion about something I haven't looked into enough. Latif, can we ask an audience what coin would 10x according to them, and you can import your thoughts? Sure, let's do a poll right now, shall we? Let me see if I can do a poll here. Can I? Start a Q&A. Start a poll. Okay. No, not a poll. Let's do a Q&A. How do you do this? Wait, give me a second. Wait, give me a second. That was a good idea. I never thought of that. Let's start. Oh, start Q&A. We're already doing that. I'm already answering your questions live. Oh, there's a way to do it? Huh. Okay, we'll do that later. Let's do a poll. Crap. Give me a second here. Poll. Let's do this. What coin do you think will 10x first? Bitcoin, Ethereum, gotta turn this off, add option. Should we do XRP? XRP, to the moon, to the moon! XRP, add option, other, comment. To the moon. Okay, ask your community. Let's see what you come up with here. Can we ask audio? Yeah, I did that. Okay, can you check the Hex chart? It looks incredible. Yeah, Hex does look, it just looks great, dude. There's no reason, Frank. There's no reason to look at it. It's just going up. Hex is doing very, very, very well. It looks like it bottomed. It looks like it's going up. Of course, it's very volatile, but that's great. The Hex chart, and I'm going to get slaughtered for this. The Hex chart, last time I looked at it, looked better than the chart from XRP. I like how the banks are falling apart and Bitcoin standing stronger. Yup. Is BNB a good play? I have some BNB. I think it might be with him, with CZ taking initiative and making a power move to become, how can I put this? Top influencer, top person in crypto. That's what he's going for. That's his brand. He's a great guy, by the way. Or he looks like he's a great guy, by the way, but I've never met him. I think that BNB should do well. There's a lot of confidence in BNB with everything that's going on. Is really crypto will make money 2030 overnight? I wouldn't say overnight, dude. It takes a while, yeah? Because if it goes overnight, it's going to fall overnight. Because, one person's going to sell. It has to be low liquidity for that to go up that fast, and it's going to go to shit. But over time, yes, it can. Bro, most coins are going to 10x for here. Yeah, okay. Not 10x in 2 years or 1 year. We're talking next. Like, which one's going to 10x first? That's the poll. Thoughts on Gala? I love Gala. I think Gala's going to do very well. Gala definitely going to 10x. Ajax or even Vayot. Yeah, I think they will too. GRT is a very good coin. Yes. Thoughts on Aptos? I have no thoughts on Aptos. I looked into it when the big hype was on. I'm like, okay, I'll wait and I'll see it another time, and then I just kind of let it go. Is ApeCoin a good play? Yes, one of my favorite moonshot plays, by the way. I talked so much about it. I've got videos on it. I talked about it in lives. I get into it. It's one of those cryptocurrencies that I get into. Aptos going to 10x too. ApeCoin doing it to 10x. Mana, I reckon, gonna 10x. Yep, it's very possible. How many coins do you recommend buying if I have 3K to invest? 3 to 5 probably. And you want to hold until, yeah, about 3 to 5, Harry. But you might want to later on just split some off and get into some lower plays, some more smaller market caps, some bigger gains. If that makes sense. Guys, put your questions in the chat. Answer the poll. I gotta go take one of my pills. Be right back. Don't go anywhere. Stay right there. Okay, I'm back. Let me just take my pill real quick, if you don't mind. Yes, it's pink. It is a cup of happiness. It's my girlfriend's cup. I have no lights in the kitchen. The lights burn out. And I've been meaning to like change the light bulbs for like 2.5 weeks now. That's how lazy I am. Every night we just go in to get some water because you're thirsty. I can hear my girlfriend shouting every time, but like swearing because I keep on leaving it. When am I gonna get married? Shaw, come on, man. Why do you want me to get married so bad? I don't know, dude. What do you think, which crypto will 10x tomorrow sooner? 10x tomorrow? None. Matic 10x? I think a 3 to 5x for Matic, but it's like a better deal in the sense that there's more, it's safer, if you will, or I see it doing that more easily. Less risk, quotation marks. Has Bitcoin bottom confirmed? I think it's confirmed. Yeah. Look, technically, many times it's confirmed, and that's now. Can that break and change? Yes, but as time moves on, less and less likely. So I called the Bitcoin bottom Latif before the Bitcoin bottom happened. By the way, I even made the bet with Gareth Soloway that it will happen. I called it exact. 15.6K, but the bet was a range from 15 to 17K. 10x easy H bar, okay. I'll be the priest for the wedding, okay, G. When do you expect, Father G? When do you expect a recession to be announced? Oh, come on, man. This is like, a lot of people are, okay, let me answer this. This is all speculation. No one really knows. But there are a lot more qualified people than me to be able to say when a recession will be called, because it's not technical, it's political. So whether we're in a recession or not, it doesn't really matter. It's what politically, what the political play is, if you will. And that I don't know. I can't answer that, man. Can do live trading? Sure. We could do that at some point, Shah. Sure. I don't like doing it, but I've been meaning to do it at some point. When do you think Bitcoin will take a new alt, and what price do you think it will hit the cycle? All-time high, you mean, not alt. Alt is altcoin. You mean all-time high. So the all-time high I'm expecting in 2025. And I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach $80,000 to $140,000. Okay, now it can go more. It can go to 200. It can go to 250. I'm expecting 80 to 140, and that's my play. What do I mean by that's my play? I will sell a lot of my Bitcoin at 80 to 140K as I'm going up, and I will keep some just in case it goes up higher. But when it does go higher, or if it does go higher, I'll get rid of almost all of that, but I always keep some Bitcoin, right? I never go all out. I think 2023 is going to surprise a lot of us. I've been saying this for a while. We'll have a bull market in 2023. Looks like we've already started. And I've been saying this last year. Everyone was making fun of me again. Everyone makes fun of you. Like, clown, clown. But the funny thing is that makes me more bullish or that I'm more right. Because when I see a lot of people making fun of me or disagreeing, I know I'm more right. Because I'm a contrarian. So I like taking contrarian signals, and that's one of them. But yeah, I think 23 is going to do good. Maybe 40, 50K. It might even surprise us with going higher. And then 2024, 25, that's when we're going to start going up like crazy. Altcoins going crazy and so on. Thoughts on TAP? Buddy got in early and making good profit. I have not looked at TAP, so I don't know anything about it. Best books for crypto beginners? Not mine. Okay, so unless you want to read The Crypto Factor, which is a bunch of interviews and some conclusions, which you can watch for free on my channel because I have a playlist with all the interviews or almost all the interviews. I would rather buy the Bitcoin Standard by Saifedean Ammous. I would start with that because that explains how money works and Bitcoin's narrative and why it will work. Does that make sense? And you need to know about that before you learn about other cryptocurrencies. So the Bitcoin Standard, 100%, is extremely important. Also, another book I haven't read yet, but I heard a lot about, is Chasing After Crypto. That's by BitBoy Crypto, by Bernard Armstrong, basically. That's another one. And then you have quite a few. Caroline. My dog's going to start barking in a second. There's quite a few. It all depends on if you want technical analysis, if you want cryptocurrencies. There's Internet of Money by Andreas Antonopoulos. That's an amazing book. Anyone in the chat playing Magic Craft yet? Do you take profits from the long-term account? Yes, I do. I do take profits from the long-term account when I need to. When I need to. And I did take it from the bear market as well before the bear market started. At about 52K as we were going down, I sold a lot. They take so long to announce a recession. Yeah, they might not. Do you think some of the dinosaur coins, like Neil, I don't know, man. I like to look at new narratives and new things that will pump. I think it's a lot easier because every 4 years the top coins change anyway. So I would rather not look at the dinosaur coins unless it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. They usually announce it after we're already in a recession. I think they're going to announce it after we get out of the recession in this case, dude. You can write about technical analysis book because I love your analysis. 90% true or right. Yeah, it's true, but it's hard to write a book, dude. Like, it's hard. Maybe I'll do a course. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, like this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you. Love you all. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, wait, the poll. So XRP, most people think XRP is going to 10x first. Okay, one favor, right before you leave, don't leave just yet. Give me 1 second. Let me show you go to my channel and watch my views on XRP. I'm not even joking here. You guys will probably get mad at me. I think it might 10x, but go to my videos here. Let me show you something. You're going to laugh, though. If you want to laugh, watch this XRP truth. This is just me talking about XRP and saying the truth. XRP wrecked is if you want to laugh, because I give comparisons and talk about them using a teddy bear. So watch this XRP truth. And watch this XRP rect. I think you will enjoy them. And then you'll understand what my views are on XRP, if that makes sense. All right, thank you very much. I love each and every one of you. Thank you very much for joining me on another live stream, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.